Hello, in this video I want to show you how to start a fast 30-minute program in Electrolux TimeCare 500. To do this, first we'll need to select this program and it's located right here. Then we can change the temperature, switch the spin rotation speed. There's a time, but we cannot manage it in this mode. Then there's the pre-wash that cannot be activated. Delayed start, you'll be able to set different hours or minutes when the washing process should begin. Easier ironing is not available, and pre-rinse, extra rinse is also not available. When everything is ready, all of the settings are adjusted. You can click on the start and the program should begin. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.